Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make overnight oats breakfast. Overnight oats breakfast is very easy and delicious also, and it's good for health also. So today I'm going to show you how to make, and this recipe is for those people who didn't get the time to make breakfast. Those people are very good this breakfast. I think you should be try this recipe. I hope you guys will like. And let's get started how to make. And one thing, the ingredient you will get any market, local market, any local market you will get, I think. So let's get started how to make, and hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Here I already prepared the fruit, already cut in small pieces. Here fruit I use, this is papaya. It's depend on you, whatever you like you can add it. So here I already cut everything. So I use papaya, and this is banana, pomegranate, orange, kiwi, plum, and this is blueberry. So fruit I'm going to use these all. So main ingredient, we need oats, milk, peanut butter, yogurt, and honey, chia seed, cinnamon powder. That's it we need, and one left, vanilla flavor, and Yakult. So these all that we need in this recipe. So let's get started how to make. First roll, you have to put oats, how much you need you can add. Here I use 4 teaspoon oats, and spoon is 4 teaspoon, 15 ml. I use this one. Now I'm going to add chia seed. This is 1 teaspoon to 5 ml, and I'm going to add it just one. Second, I'm going to add cinnamon powder, same, just little. Now I'm going to mix all the dry ingredient. Next I'm going to add milk. So here is 1 cup milk, coffee cup. So I'm going to put half. So next I'm going to add yogurt, plain yogurt. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons. Next I'm going to add 1 teaspoon honey, add the 1 teaspoon honey. Next I'm going to add vanilla flavor. This is optional. If you like you can add, if you don't like you can skip, just a little bit. Now what you want to do, give it a good mix all the ingredients. Now it's done. Now I'm going to add fruits. So first I'm going to add, I already cut small pieces, so I'm going to add 1 teaspoon kiwi, 1 teaspoon orange, this fruit, pomegranate. Sorry. Next, this is banana, and this is blueberry. And give it a good mix. Now it's done. Now what you want to do, you have to cover and leave it for overnight, and morning time you can eat. I'm going to make different flavor. So first take just a little bit oats, and next what you want to need, we need peanut butter, 1 teaspoon, little bit COC, 1 teaspoon, cinnamon powder, just a little bit, and here I'm going to use yogurt, 2 teaspoons, and this time I'm going to use Yakult, here I use 1 Yakult, and give it a good mix all the ingredients. Now it's time to add fruit. This time you don't need to add the honey because in peanut butter also sweet so I'm not going to add honey. So that's it. How it is simple. Now what you want to do, you have to cover. If you have container, then it's very easy for you. So I don't have container, so I'm going to use wrapper. So cover. Okay guys, now it's done. So all are covered, and now I'm going to leave it for overnight. This you can keep in the freezer, but nowadays it's very cold, so you don't need to keep in the freezer. So it's done. So don't worry about I make lots of, you can eat slowly, and 2-3 days you can keep in freezer. Don't worry about that. So see you tomorrow morning. Good morning guys. Here my overnight oats is ready. Now I'm going to give later it, and these two are different flavor. Now what you want to do, just remove the wrapper. See, it will not come out. So it's what you want to do, it's mix it. Now it's done. So now I'm going to remove because this is very small, so I'm going to have remove here. So now I'm going to add, this is optional, if you like you can go with some fresh fruits, so you can eat like this also. Here I'm going to add some fruits. If you like you can go some nuts. Guys, so my bowl of oats is ready. So if you feel less the sweetness, so you can add little honey. Just a little bit. So I don't like too much sweet, so I'm not going to add too much. So my overnight oat chocolate is ready. Okay guys, I hope you guys will like this video. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment in down below. So let me know how it is. So if you have any question, leave it in description below. So we'll see you in next video, and thank you so much for watching my video. Tujina sangmala tayela ani kisi kendo di video di nawa duna kuji ngala subscribe jeru ji ani tujina sangma. Bye bye.